myself.
Yo, P, you got me? You got me?
I got you.
Stizzy's back on that track. Realize where you look at me back. Holding it still everywhere with a cat. Niggas fucked up, they was holding me back. Got plenty niggas holding it back. 2 grand fucking, I'ma throw in the sack. 200 bag, nigga come with it flat. Oh, okay. I got some 50 bags. Tell me to ride and I'ma take it literal. Got niggas that's coming to get you in some large intervals. Might have the shotty, but you know we gripping pistols too. Not clapping at the clouds, I'm hitting you in your physical. Rhyme style sick, so you could call them cynical. Throw them in an asylum, or you could call them clinical. But you should mind your biz. Grab a bitch and slide to this. Grip your 45 to this. Like your piff get hot as sticks. P, you got me? You got me, P?
Yeah, voodoo. I said modern.
Come here, folks. Go ahead.
Modern day mob, nigga. Yeah. This is extortion. I cut the pie. I give you a portion. Modern day mob, nigga, this is extortion. I cut the pie, I give you a portion. Me and 3 bitches, having a foursome. That's Friday. Saturday, it's more fun. I spin around the block just to see how that Porsche run.
What?
Just bought more bricks, 104 guns. It's 52 niggas, it's obvious, you're done. I'm just the prince and I'm running my kingdom. Got this under control, wanna see how I make those kings run? I spray your whole block, nigga, watch your cling run. I spray your whole block, nigga, watch your click run. Since I was young, shit, I love to click guns. So much ice on my hand, it got my wrist numb. My hand's always hot, throwing a pinky ring, son. Your chicks say your dick's more like my pinky. I always get brain. Put my dick in and tear out the frame. Southside Money Town, Long Island is what I claim. I know what it is. It's obvious you're lame. Got NY on my back like Cali got game. All over NY's like subways and trains. I'm going down in history. I'm about to change the game. A lethal injection because I'm going through your veins. Knock, knock, bang, bang where my cash at. Get wet like a bitch when I grip that. Niggas say, oh shit, when I lift that. You slipping, thought I left it at the crib black? I crack your ribs like a 6-pack. Yeah, I fuck with the Crips with my 6-sack. But I fuck with the Bloods with my 5-sack. Zulu, don't act crazy, don't try that. If I like your coke, I won't buy that. Cause I know I'm the shit, so where the flies at. And I know I'm the chef, so where my pies at. I ain't Colombian, but where my ties at. Just hit my connect where my supply at. When I go buy coke, I just fly back. Niggas hate on my swag cause I'm a fly cat. So they turn to a snitch wearing wide taps. Shoot at his face, put him in a body bag. All my Zulus pop me, I play shotty tag. You late, you getting what I already had. I see you pissed off me, I ain't never mad. You say you my son, but I ain't your dad. You just a clone, can't match my swag. Chick under the table while I'm counting cash. I'm just getting head, then I grab her ass. I'm fresh home, so I'm back on the block. Bill with my ox, chill or get popped. These tough guys, they been grilling a lot. But the steel till it's top, then I peel in the drop. People talk a lot, making deals with a cop. So I spark it out, can you deal with a shot? Can't get bumped, I ain't dealing with shot. Go hard for my niggas up in the box. Go hard for my niggas dead in the box. We might bump head up, but glad at the cops. Chicken heads love me cause it's bread that I got. Niggas hate cause they seen it chicken my top. Checking my drop, giving me top, I'm counting my guap. Ain't going over straight to the top, but for now I'm in the kitchen baking them rocks. Feel me?
They voodoo get on us. Yo.
Nah, law.
Wait till that plane pass. Yo, voodoo.
Freestyle.
Get close over, you next.
Come on, baby.
You want to get closer.
Zulu all day, you heard me?
Let him do. Yo, y'all get in the camera, man. Get it.
Say get it from the hood, Rockaway Village, Boulevard, nigga full of bars, shooting that pull of cars. I plan on my future and manifest as I be God. I make everything in order, Quran means knowledge, order and rhythm, astrology I give them. Fuck it, you can't acknowledge me the age of us with no ism, except from a prism shaped body, beautiful thick divas who like chickers. I ain't on Christopher Street, I'm on the lift of a heat, need that to be the back of the sheet. Matter of fact, I am in the back with seat on. I love M19 11, so she done. Give a fuck. My sons is from NY. I be the born guard. Naya Law Islam. I sell Florida master. Stimulate life and matter from embrace. Understanding the born ruler disaster.
Yeah, hey yo. Hey yo, it's hard knocks. Even out the hood still, eating cereal with forks just to save milk. Little ones playing with guns, innocents killed. Mom stressing, bills stacked thicker than books in this. No help except for own self. No man provides except for under his belt. Yes, it's real. No job is hiring except for jail. Permanent position in cells now. We in the position to sell. Those in broken hills. Baby bottles need to be filled. Yes, it's ill, no physician can heal, but still we stand tall like them stacks of a milk. This goes out to those across sea and war. Have faith and believe in the Lord, so he can guarantee that you never feel the impact of a fall.
Everybody know I'm 17 till I die, but I also ride with 25 plus 7 equals 49. Montana gang. Little niggas gotta learn how to bang, so I gotta show them. Everybody talk about they got it like that, but none of them niggas really got it like that. Disrespect. Who the fuck trying to fuck with Pep? I got it like that. Me and my nigga Voodoo Child going real wild. Around the block, niggas still screaming free smiles. Free TM, free Shine, free Shine.
Hey yo,
Get him, Voodoo.
said some shit like, word, no doubt. Y'all said some shit like, land lost. Welcome to the hidden city, where deals are shitty and the underworld is dark and gritty, and nothing's pretty. Port Knox all shitty, carry toast, headies in the backyard, bloody shirts, itchy shells, lie in the clip, here comes the fireworks, lay your burst down as a spit of curse, $1.50 in your ribs, poke, 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 poke till it hurts. But hey yo, check me out though. Now I know Parlez-Vous lays it down, he's kinda cynical. I face the east, hoping that Allah will bless my physical. My rituals include bowling sets and spitting miracles. We blow the profit debt in your pockets, offer residuals ahead of you by too many miles, my money wild. Food child, stay in the trap. I'm on my grease with their envy. The fruits of my lust, Father forgive me, it's in me. The heart of a crook, don't let it tempt me. I see fiends as money bags, I'm all about $1. It's routine, I give them the work, I give me my dollar. The life follows of a slick talking drug trafficker from Africa. Raising the peace, sons of the rapture, I'm after. The American dream, which also means I will do anything on this earth for the cream on my knees.
Yo, my whole life I've been hated by people that want to hold me down. I say fuck 'em, I made it because I held my ground. I know they talking, but they do it when I'm not around, because they know the actual reaction is letting off the pound. I go hard, fuck a motherfucking handout. I keep the money coming in, I'm from the damn South. And y'all good, but my team, we the best out. Staying on the road to the riches, I chose the best route. Better move out my way, I gotta get it today with this rapper on the block with a yay. So understand what I'm trying to say, I'm on the come up. And if you try to hold me back, we should pick the gun up. I don't think you wanna run up, my team is full of gunners. I tell you that we strapped, believe me, I'm not frontin'. Young Oxman, SSP, you know it's me. Zulu Nation to the death of me, you know it's B. Zulu! Big Z's,
2-5 all day.
you already snow, baby. Phil, Big
17, shadow man, but I also ride with 25.
Speak to me, Big P.
Hey yo, holla hove. I said, I put L.I. on the map, I put Zulu on my back, I put 2-5 in my heart, I put Jay-Z in my tracks, I put in with B.I.G. Shadow Clan did my tracks, I put on for my nation, that's a motherfucking fact. Took a vacation 2 years with DOCs. Let me stop. Swag so official, I'm popping like a pistol. Sex is not an issue, I can make a pussy whistle. With skills, I was born, I leave the pussy warm. Won't toot my own horn, Jordan, I scores on. Shout out to my father, I was named after him, I take my ways after him. I get laid, I am him. But more I am the JR, my suits be tailored. My shit wear like a sailor, a ruler like Cesar. My chick had Brazilian, head skills brilliant, stacks on the million, swaggy on a billion. Chicks from Baleen, Nikki and Maylene, pussy clean shaving. I flow like an alien. Oops, I mean alien. The greatest get compared to him. Niggas be scared of him. Bitches love to stare at him. L1 says, hey yo. L1 told me to slow down. I'm like stack. And I gotta take it slow or be laying on my back, fuck that. I see a nigga mugging, I'ma bust that, trust gats. All my niggas strapped and we pump crack. You pussy, so today I want that. I got ammo in the vest like a hunchback. You pull out, I react and dump that. I'm hungry, motherfucker, where's my lunch at? If a nigga owe me bread, I blow his head. He could be locked to his block, but I blow his dreads. Holy shit, them niggas calling the feds. The cops can't stop us cause I'm throwing lead. 1,000 shots and it's off they head. All they heard was pop, pop, pop and the police fled. And most of my niggas is coming in red, black and green. Holla at Weech, I'm a Z.